You can see here now radiator fan working. Great success. Before not work this radiator fan. Now it's perfect. It's my video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? Today I have one MG5 2021 accident car, and this car have a problem, radiator fan not working. So today I will show you why this radiator fan not working and what is the problem actually. Okay, here is the engine room, and here you can see radiator fan, and this is the main wire. First I remove wire, check electricity is there or not, voltage is there or not, I check first. See, there is no voltage, and that's the problem. That's why radiator fan not working. So I check fuse and everything is perfect. This is inside, and here is the big one for radiator fan. You can see here this is damaged. See what I see here, radiator fan wiring. This is accident car, and here see wiring damage, and that's the problem. That's why radiator fan not working. See, that's the problem. Okay, thank you. See, now I fix this fuse, repair it properly, and now I fix it back, and I will show you radiator fan working or not. Okay, and damaged wiring also I fix. Fix it properly. Connect radiator fan wire. Start car now. Start car on AC. See, radiator fan working. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.